Meta is pulling the plug on its first pass at a metaverse, Horizon Worlds on virtual reality headset. Hey GadInsiders, welcome to your hub of the latest tech news. The company shared plans to separate Horizon Worlds from Quest VR platform and focus exclusively on the smartphone version of the app in February. And now in a new post on its community forums, Meta detailed when the VR version of Horizon Worlds will be deprecated. Meta says by 31st March, individual Horizon Worlds and events will no longer be listed in the Quest store, and headset owners will be unable to visit worlds like Horizon Central, Events Arena, Kaju, and Bobber Bay. Then after June 15th, the app will be removed from Quest headsets and worlds will be completely unavailable to visit in VR. From that point on, you can only visit Horizon Worlds in the Meta Horizon app for iOS and Android. Additionally, Hyperscape Capture, a recently added beta feature that allows Quest headset owners to capture, share, and visit each other in detailed 3D scans of real-life locations, is also being removed from Horizon Worlds. Meta says users will still be able to capture and view hyperscapes, but sharing, inviting, and co-experiencing hyperscapes with others will no longer be supported. While Meta's original blog left the possibility that a committed Quest owner might still have some access to some parts of Meta's original VR metaverse, but that was never the company's plan. Meta saw enough positive momentum in the mobile version of Horizon Worlds in 2025 that it made sense to abandon in the VR one in 2026 completely. Well, that's not something Meta would do as a metaverse company, but it does show where the company is spending the most money and seeing the most success. For more updates, subscribe to GadInsider, like and share the video, and don't forget to press the bell icon so you never miss any update.